the weekend.
Thank you. Tonight's favourite sound from a listener comes from Tony Bennett. We don't think it's the one who sings and paints. This Tony Bennett belongs to a dedicated group in Lincolnshire that's been renovating a 1950s British former RAF jet plane. It's a Jet-Provost assigned number XS-186. A few years ago, Tony says, the aircraft was a shell. He says to listen now to a fully working aircraft is a phenomenal achievement. The sound of the engine running is music to all of our ears, even though we have to wear ear muffs to protect our hearing. Tony goes on, I hope your listeners enjoy listening to a piece of avionic history, which is being kept working by a wonderful group of enthusiasts.